So, should I try and do a director's commentary of some description? This is me, semi-naked, trying to capture a lightning storm. May as well be semi-naked, because if you do get struck by lightning, you'll end up naked anyway. The creepy sounds are actually slow-motion sound of seagulls outside. Sounds epic. Boom. Speaking of sound, my apologies. I didn't have time to set the decent sound equipment up. So I'm not sure what the colour means, but we have lilac skies. It could be something to do with ionised skies or just a sky phenomenon, as Mr. MBB333 would say. Top channel. Along with the Oppenheimer Ranch project. Boom. Yeah. Nice plasma. Is that plasma in your pocket, or are you just pleased to see me? Eat your heart out, Sid James. Somebody watching over me? Yeah. The gin. Speaking of gin, where's me tea? Bada boom. I like this. I could do this for a living. Storm chasing next. So that was on the early hours of the 17th, Tuesday the 17th of July 2018. And that is the end of that. I'm not sure why the whales were getting involved, but they seem to like it. Do you know, just a random thought here. If you like any of this, please like, share and subscribe. I just thought the other day, imagine if Jesus came back. He was resurrected and he came back, started a YouTube channel, and it had 20 subscribers. And that was it. And nobody noticed. Not even the supercomputer or the church. I'll just get going then. Obviously, you've got it nailed.